Is this camera even on? Oh, hey, it is. What's up, guys? It's Jonathan here. So around the internet and YouTube, I see this question asked a lot. Is it better for me to buy my primary residence first or to buy an investment property? There are many different opinions on this subject, but in this video, I plan to give you my opinion as being a 24-year-old real estate investor and homeowner. I hope this video gives you some perspective on this topic and provides value to you. So let's hit the like button for YouTube algorithm and get right into the video. So I won't make you guys wait till the end of the video to give you my opinion on the topic. I think that you should focus on buying your own primary residence before you buy an investment property. Going through the experience of buying your own home, a better sense of how to be a good real estate investor. And I believe there's 4 reasons to that. So here are the 4 reasons why I believe that you should focus on buying a primary residence before you buy an investment property. The first reason why I believe you should focus on buying a primary residence: when you purchase a home that you tend to live in, you tend to get better loan terms versus a home that you plan to rent out as an investor. Usually when you buy properties as an investment, you have to put at least 20% down, and most lenders will try to encourage you to put down 25% due to all the fees that come with investment loans. Some cases when you buy a home, you put down as little as 3%, and in some cases none at all. I'll talk about that in further detail later in the video. The interest rate on investment loans tend to be a lot higher than owner-occupied loans. It could be upwards to almost 1% more, which can have a significant effect to the cost of your monthly mortgage. Also, investment property loans require you to have cash in reserves on top of the cash for the down payment as well. So it only increases the barrier of entry into real estate. Whereas with owner-occupied homes, they don't have a reserves requirement, which makes it a lot easier for you to get started with an owner-occupied loan versus an investment loan. As an investor, you can also take advantage of owner-occupied loans by doing something that's called bank hacking. Bank hacking is basically where you buy a home that you intend to live in. You live in it for however long the loan requires you to. Then you move out and you buy another home with an owner-occupied loan, and you rent out the previous home that you bought. And you just keep repeating this over and over again. This can help you get better terms on your loans and can make real estate investing a lot easier for you. The second reason why you should focus on buying a primary residence first is because of the equity that can be built from owning your own property. Equity is a portion of the home's value that you don't own to the bank. So if you have a $400,000 home and you have a $300,000 loan, you have $100,000 worth of equity in the property. If you have a fully amortized loan, every time you make a mortgage payment, a portion of that payment goes towards you paying down the loan of the property. When you pay down the loan of the property, you're building equity in the property. When you're renting your home out, you're not building equity. You're just paying rent. Given that in most cases, mortgages are slightly higher than rents, if you can't afford to, it makes a lot more sense for you to have a mortgage than it does for you to be paying rent. Also, getting access to your home equity is a lot easier when you're an owner who occupies the property. Banks tend to feel more comfortable giving loans out to homeowners than they do investors, because the way they see it is that you're more encouraged to pay down the loan at the end of the day. Reason number 3 is to hit the like button for YouTube algorithm. Okay, I was just joking there. The real reason number 3 is down payment assistance. There's a lot of down payment assistance programs out there that can help you buy your first home. These programs can be a great help if you have little to no money to put down on your first house. But usually these programs require you to live in the property for a certain amount of time. This could be a great way to start building equity in home ownership if you have little to no money to put down. Reason number 4 is that owning your own home can be a great way to figure out if you want to invest in real estate or not. Real estate investing isn't for everyone. It does require a lot of work upfront, and owning your own home will kind of show you what kind of work is required, how much certain repairs may cost, how long do certain things in a house last. That experience can almost act as a trial run for you wanting to be a real estate investor. And worst comes to worst, if you decide that you don't want to be if you don't want to invest in real estate, you always can just live in your home and you don't have to worry about dealing with tenants or toilets or anything of that nature. So whether you buy a home to live in or you buy a home as an investment property, home ownership can be a great tool to build your wealth. I made this video to highlight some of the reasons why I believe that you should focus on yourself and on buying your first primary residence before you buy an investment property. I hope this video gave you some perspective and brought you value. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. It greatly helps out the channel. Also hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you get notified anytime I make a new video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave your comments down below. I try to respond to every comment. Also, while you're down there, check out the link for Webull, where you can get one free stock valued up to $1,600 after you deposit $100. Also, follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. I try to post there daily. And thank you for watching. Until next time.